So today we're gonna do a 3D exercise using TinkerCAD. So basically this is the first object that we're gonna do. So all the dimensions are given here, like this: 25, 20, 25, 75, 50. So the base of our object is 50 by 75 with a height of 12. So how to design this? So I did this already here, but let's just create a new one. So for TinkerCAD, all you need to do is go to your Chrome store, then add TinkerCAD to one of your apps. Then you could start tinkering or do your TinkerCAD design. And you could print this also. You could export this as an object still GTL file, and you could 3D print it. And we have different kinds of shapes here. So these shapes, you can use this to form any kind of shapes you want, and there's our icons here. So later on I'll show you how to use this different kinds of icons or tools here. And here you can change the image into pixelated images here for blocks. You could add blocks also, and we could have a Lego style of blocks here. So let's go back here for tinkering CADs. So let's start at doing this object. So first we need a square for the base of our object. Just simply put it anywhere you like here on your workspace. So in order for you to rotate it, all you need to do is hold Control, then hold the click, then you can basically move your mouse to rotate your object. So you could also click here, so if you want to be on top, side, left, front, or back. Okay, or let's just go back here in front. So I always would like to work on the front side of the object so I can easily see it. So this is the front side of our object here, this one here. So we'll be doing our object like that. Front and right side there. So first off, we need to apply the dimensions 50, 75 by 12. So in our front, just click this part here, this will show. So you can click here and change this to the desired size that you want. You could enter or press tab. When you press tab, it's transferring the other side of the dimensions, which we will be adding 75. Okay, now we need to adjust also the height. So this is the square that we need to click in order to adjust the height. So we have the default in 20. Just change this to 12. So now we have the base. Now we need to remove this part here. We need to make a hole. In order to make a hole, just use this part here, this box, and I'll just make this space here. So knowing this is 25 and the space is 12, then the height still is 12. So I'll make a box with that dimensions. So 12, 25, and just change the height to 12 and enter. So that's the object already. Now I need to union this to this one in a specific space. Okay, so if you can see here, this is 25 here, then 25, that's 50. So basically this is 25. So this hole here is at the center of our rectangle or our prism. So in order to align that to our rectangular prism, all we need to do is highlight all the objects. So just left click on the side and you'll select all the object there. Then you could click this icon here. This is align. Basically, it's aligned in the side. Now we need to align it in the center. So that's it. It's already in the center. You can see. Then next, we could click this group or Control G. Then we will create the hole. So we're done with that. So now we're gonna do this part here on top. So this part on top, since we don't have a shape that corresponds to the shape, all we need to do is decipher or deassemble this shape. And the shape that we could use for this one is a square. So we cut this part here. This will be a square already, and this will be a triangle prism. So let's get the square first. So for the square, I would like to align it. So we know already that this is 12, the height is 12, so we need to bring up our square 12 in height, so it could be aligned. Okay, and then next is we move this here, make sure that it's aligned. So we should select all the object and press align again, then click this part here. Then we know already that this is aligned. Look at that. But in the side it's not, so let's align that again. Okay, click this part, and this is aligned already. You can see. Now we could adjust the size depending on the dimension given. So just click the square that we have, click the sides, so we can change it. So first, so the thickness is 25, then the width is 20. So let's not change this, this is good already. Just change this part here, 25. Then the height, change this to 25. Okay, this is good already. Now the missing part or component is this one here. So we have the shape there, this one. Okay, now we could rotate this part here so it would look like this. So how to rotate it, just click this one. You can see this arrow, this arc here. Just click it and change this to 90 degrees, and you have it there. Next we could set the height in advance. So the thickness will be 25, and the distance, how we would know the distance when it's not given, right? We all what is given here is that the whole thing here, the length is 75, and we have given here 20, and we have a 20 here. So all we need to do is add the 20 and 20, that's 40. Then we subtract it to 75, that will be 35. So the missing measurement here in this side here is 35. So basically we know that this is 35. And of course the height for this one is the same with this one, so we'll put it 25. Okay, now what's left to do is just add this to our object. So we know already it's 12, the height, so let's have 12. Okay, and we could move it here. Oh. Okay, so first we need to align this one here. Okay, that's aligned already. So basically this is the shape. So what's left to do is to make this one whole object. Select everything, then group it, and this will be one object. So this is how to do the exercise number 1 using TinkerCAD, AutoCAD exercises. So we can change the color also here. You can already import it or export it. Export it to an object, and then save it an object. You could print it into your 3D design. Okay. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, press subscribe button, and I will upload more TinkerCAD exercises, or I will upload more videos doing AutoCAD exercises using TinkerCAD. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.